armies, di ba? Para malaman, ma-hail as one of our export or something that will give strike to the Philippines. But where is armies now?
Ngayon kasi maraming hindi nakakaalam na it is a martial arts sport because of the Republic Act 1980, sponsor ni Senator Miguel Zubiri and Congressman Temer.
Oh, galing ha? So talaga ano na talaga natin yan ha? National sport. Okay.
Hindi na yung sipa.
Hindi na yung sipa. So, nasipa na sa bilang national sport, nasipa na yung sipa. Okay. Sa armies, ano ang paano basic na kailangan natin? Of course, the armies. But can you give me the dimensions, the measurements? Sir?
Actually po, we common use yan po for a major weapon for armies stick. And the diameter is 1 inch and 28 inches long.
Yan, standard yan, master.
Opo.
Standard yan. Pag beyond that, pag na, or na.
Actually po, any extension from army, pwede po siyang gamitin at armies weapon. So, yun po yung magandahan pag armies is a system of martial arts. Iba po kasi na may misconceptualize sila na this is armies, but the armies is a system. This is only armies stick or baton as a weapon.
Galing na. Hindi iniisip ko dati, yun ang akin. Kung sa'yo mo kami, paulit-ulit na mo kung ano. Hindi mo rin talaga nag-iisip. See, that's one thing I really, that's nice about that. When you learn so many things. So, okay, pag isang ganyan yan, master, pagka isang sorry, isa lang, pag dalawa, do you still call it arnis o meron ng
Bali kasi meron siyang three-forms of knee. Okay. Yung single stick na hawak niya, pag dalawa niya hawak niya, that is doggy baston, or usually pinawali, pampanggenyo. Then yung espada idaga. Yung espada idaga is yung short and long stick. Kaya yung three-forms of knee ng arnis.
Si Bruce Lee, isang movie, gumamit siya ng, arnis ba yung gamit niya noon? Or ano? Medyo mahaba.
Yes sir, Game of Death.
Pero yung modern po ngayon kasi, naglalagay na sila ng weapon system.
Okay.
Pero talaga pong mahabang panahon para matawag pang master, lalo na kung nakapag-produce ka ng student na naging instructor na rin, meron na rin sila.
So kumbaga parang legacy muna sa yun. Okay, ito, Tony, hindi lang muna siya sa mga master mo muna tanong mo Kasi ibang mga kaibigan ko, katulad ako dati, kaya ako nag-aaral na, para pag napaaway ako, medyo naman ako ng monte. Salit na. Kaya na practice. Kayo ba, how did you start? Master Jem, tama ba? Oh. Did you start because meron bang lalaking hinahanap ka? Sobrang naliligaw sa'yo, ayaw mo na, kaya kailangan admission na o something.
Kaya before, I don't want to study martial arts. Since I married a man who is a master of arts, I don't have any choice but to support him and to study also the system.
So you're married to a martial arts master?
Yes.
So pag nag-away kayo, nag-a-abisan ba kayo? Parang kasi, magkamukha.
Hindi naman.
Sabi ni Rocky sa kami pang, walang may
Actually sir, before martial law, existing na po yung art natin, na Filipino martial arts, and then the martial law na declare po siya, lahat po ng martial artists na Pilipino, na lipat po sila from different country dahil inohold po sila.
talaga?
Opo, nangyari po yan from the history po before the martial law, and then declaring martial law, lahat po ng martial artists na magagaling na Pilipino, pinapakuha po noon sa government para, ewan ko what would be the key project for that.
I see. Parang an army of martial arts, Filipino martial artists, no? Which is actually maganda naman.
Yes, sir.
Bakit, ngayon, hindi nila sinusulong yung master, yung bang instead of using the batuta,